Porsche revealed the interior of the upcoming new Panamera. It's very sporty, modern and driver-oriented. In front of the driver there is a 12.6-inch digital cockpit, and additional screens on the front include the main touchscreen and the passenger screen as well. Gear lever now has different, more modern and minimalistic design and is moved to the right of the steering wheel. That means the center console has more clean design and also offers more storage space. World premiere of the car is scheduled for this month, so stay tuned for more and tell me in the comments how do you like this interior.